YouTube, today might be the day. Today might be the day we get the SRT 392. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sitting in front of the dealership right now. As y'all can see, this is the dealership. I'm sitting in front of the dealership right now. I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't supposed to be vlogging because I didn't really expect myself to get the car today, but this is why the camera like this, because I don't got my actual camera with me. But if I get this car, I'm gonna keep y'all boys updated. They're trying to work out a deal right now to get my payment even lower. We definitely got the bread. We got the money. Now, all they gotta do, give me a low payment. And I mean, the money right here, I need the best payment I can get, and I'm in there. So right now I'm just sitting in my car currently waiting for them to work out the numbers and see what they can get me. But if I do get it, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and if I don't, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. All right, y'all boys, so as y'all can see, I did buy the SRT 392 Charger, bro. This is crazy, bro. Like, this car is just crazy, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, just from the outside, it's crazy already. And it's stock, bro. Like, I haven't, oh my God, look, it's ducks, bro. Are they trying to come get the SRT, bro? Are you serious, dude? But listen, this car is stock. I haven't done anything to it yet besides nothing. It came tinted already. I haven't did nothing yet, so this is the new pickup. Tell me, comment down below what y'all think about this car. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love with it, bro. If y'all don't know, I came from a V6. So me getting a Scatpack is like crazy, bro. And this is even crazier because this is not the regular Scatpack. Even though they push the same amount of horsepower, it's just not the regular Scatpack, bro. It comes with the SRT badges. No, I did not upgrade the SRT badges. It just comes with it, bro. So it's just crazy, bro. And it comes with a sunroof. I have a sunroof in it. The SRT wheels, 6-piston Brembos. This car is just crazy, bro. Like, it's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. When you come from a V6 and you upgrade to a Scat, bro, it's like a totally different feeling, bro. Like, it's so different. I'm not gonna lie. Now, I know y'all probably wonder, what did I do with the V6? I still have the V6. I just don't drive it. I currently gave it to my mom, so she has it now. So that's what happened to the V6. But yeah, if y'all couldn't tell, this is the next day after I did purchase the car. I didn't even record the day I bought it. So let me explain what happened. I went to the dealership just looking for a regular RT Scat, but somehow I found this, bro. For like, this was a little bit more, but it was worth it, bro. Because the other Scatpack, the regular one had 144,000 miles and it was in an accident. The regular Scatpack didn't look bad, but you could tell that it was in an accident. So that's why I didn't really get that one, and that's why I just went with this. Now, this car is crazy. It's not even just the outside that's crazy, bro. It's the inside of it, bro. Like, the inside is crazy. Like, bro, look at the seats, bro. We have SRT stitching on the seats. We have all red seats with black. I feel like the black complements the red a lot more. And we also have red seat belts. As y'all can see, I currently got it in my custom mode, track, all that right now. So yes, that is the custom mode I will be rocking with. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Right here, as you can see, I got the SRT badge on the back. And here's the pipes. This is stock, bro. This is stock, and it sounds this good. Like, I didn't know Scat sound this good stock, bro. It's crazy, bro. But yeah, I'm also thinking about getting the mufflers cut off tomorrow. Leave down in the comments if y'all want to see a video on that. I'm gonna record that, the process of getting it cut off and showing it after. So if y'all want that video, just like this video and comment on it. So this is the back of the car. As y'all can see, we got the battery, the fuses. So listen, I'm not sure what this is. I just found this in the back trunk, bro. If anybody could tell me what this is, I'm not sure, bro. If y'all can comment down below and tell me what that is. I've never seen anything like that before. But yes, that is in the back of the car. I don't know what that is. So leave down in the comments what that is. Oh, and I'm also gonna be painting these rims, getting these rims wrapped black, because the silver are, I don't know if that's silver or what, but it's pretty, it's not ugly, but it's not the best. So yes, this is the new Scatpack, bro. It's crazy, bro. I'm so proud, bro. Like, coming from a V6, if you previously watched this channel, bro, it fit me. Drip check, I got this little white shirt on, and I got these black pants on right here, and I got my 4s on. Not gonna lie, this is not a crazy fit. This is just some calm shit I threw on. I'm not gonna lie, it's early in the morning, so I just threw on some quick shit real quick. But yeah, this is the vehicle, bro. It's crazy. I'm gonna pop the hood so y'all can see what's under the hood real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. It's crazy, bro. I'm so proud, bro. Like, this shit crazy. I worked so hard for this, bro. Like, y'all don't understand, bro. So as y'all boys can see, this is under the hood right here. We got the 392 Hemi on the side. This is not just a regular Scatpack. And we got the intake. I'm definitely changing out that intake right there. And yeah, bro, it's crazy. It's really nothing under the hood that's so spectacular, like no mods or nothing. It's just a stock Scatpack right now. I know you can't really add too much to the Scatpacks, like boost-wise, because they will probably blow up. So I am probably just gonna be adding a couple mods, such as like a camshaft, some long tube headers, a new intake, and probably, I forgot what it is. Another thing, bro, I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely gonna be adding a lot of performance mods to this. And I'm also gonna be wide bodying it. So if you wanna see all of this done to the Scat, bro, please subscribe to the channel, bro. It's free to subscribe to the channel. Please just subscribe, bro. And also, if you want a Scat Pack, bro, I have a course where I can teach you how to build credit and also make money to afford cars like this. So if you want to do that, check the link down below in the description, and you will be guided to the course. The course is only $10 a month, so it's not gonna break your pockets, bro. But yes, I followed my steps for 6 months, bro, and I was able to buy a Scat Pack, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. So yes, this is how I got my Scat Pack. This is just like me quickly explaining how I got my Scat Pack. This is not fully how I got it, but I will be dropping videos on how I really got the Scat Pack and how I maintain and how I'm able to afford this car at 20 years old. But yes, this is the Scat Pack, bro. I'm gonna show y'all more of the inside real quick because I don't think I really showed y'all for real. But yeah, let's go in the inside, bro. As y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all the back seat. As y'all can see, this is the back seat. Very spacious back here. This is why I like Scat Packs more than Challengers, because it's more spacious, bro. What else? I'm gonna show y'all the front seat. I mean, bro, if you haven't seen a Charger yet, bro, all Chargers are the same, bro. It's just different engines and specs, like SRTs, SRT on the steering wheel, all types of shit, bro. So yes, it is just a regular Dodge basically, but it's so fire. I am also thinking about adding stars to the roof up here, so I don't know how that's really gonna work because of the fact that I do have what's it called, a sunroof. So I'm gonna try to add stars to it and see what happens. I'm gonna turn it off real quick because it's beeping. But yes, this is the Scat, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. I can't believe I got this car, bro. It was hard getting this. I'm not gonna lie, this is not an easy car to get, bro. So like, it's not that easy to just get this car, bro. So the fact that I got it, bro, I'm super excited that I did get it. It's crazy, bro. As y'all can see, some of the badges that it comes with is 392 Hemi, and it also comes with the SRT badge at the front right here, and then it also comes with another badge, the SRT at the back. So technically it's an SRT, but I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's a Scat. It is a Scat, bro. It's just SRT Scat, bro. This was the Scat that only came out in 2015 and 2016, which is why it has all the SRT, packaging. These came out before they upgraded to the regular RT Scat Pack, so it's classified as an SRT. This is why I like this car so much, bro, because it's SRT, bro. I didn't really want the regular Scat Pack, but I was gonna get it if I had to get it. But yes, this is the Scat Pack, bro. But like I said, I will have a lot of more videos coming with this car. I will be building this car, so if you want to see all of this, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button on this video. And yeah, bro, it's crazy. I really got a fucking Scat, bro. It's gonna be a lot of content coming with this car, I'm not gonna lie. So with that being said, man, that probably will conclude today's video. I will be dropping more videos. I'm going to get the mufflers cut off tomorrow, so a video will be coming in like the next 2 days or the next day. So stay tuned for that. But yes, that will conclude today's video. Make sure y'all boys hit that like button. Make sure y'all boys subscribe and turn on notifications to get notified whenever I drop another banger. And yes, man, it's Trap Extra, and I'm out, bruh. They let me get that 392. Brand new, man. Them boy didn't know that boy Trap was going SRT on them folks, man. This my shit now, fuck nigga.